Hi everyone, and nice to see you all. Today I'm going to talk about infused water, and I'm going to show you how to make infused water in different ways. There are many health benefits of drinking infused water. Infused water is the water that is infused with flavors of fresh fruits, vegetables or herbs. You can make infused water at home in lots of different ways, using any combination of fruits, vegetables, herbs. Even you can use spices if you like. This infused water helps your body to get rid of toxins and improve your energy levels high. And this infused water helps your body to detox. Making infused water is very simple. All you need is your favorite selection of fruits, vegetables or herbs. Here I'm going to show you few different ways of making infused water. So let's go to make. This is the first method. Here I use 2 strawberries, 2 dried rosebuds and tiny piece of ginger, 4 pieces of apple and 2 lemon slices. First, take off the filter case. Now I add all of those ingredients into the filter case. I love adding rosebuds into the water. Little bit of slicing or crushing the ingredients can help release more of their flavors into the water. I have filled all of those ingredients into this case. Close this and then fit in the bottle. Fill the water. And now it's ready to drink. It's really nice taste. I can say that first of all I felt the rose smell and rose flavor, and then lemon flavor, then strawberry flavor. I couldn't feel that apple and ginger that much, or little, but it's really refreshing water. This is the second method. I'm using here the pieces of strawberries, lemon, cucumber, kiwi and ginger. Second method is done. Fill the water. Close it. Ready to drink. In the third method, I'm going to use pieces of strawberries, grapes, pear, clementine and pomegranate pearls. These fruits flavored water also is very tasty. If you hate or bored drinking plain water, then you can replace the infused water method. You know, being hydrated is very important to our health. Look at the colors, wow, so beautiful. The third method as well is done. And my fourth method, I'm going to use apple, lemon, mint leaves, cinnamon stick and ginger. This is also one of the pleasant taste of infused water. I'm enjoying a lot. The smell of cinnamon stick and mint leaves with those fruits, oh my gosh, so nice taste. Fourth method as well is done. In my fifth method, I use raspberries, blueberries, pieces of mango, pineapple and clementine. If you like, you can add very few pieces of fruits here because I love lots of fruits, so I add lots of fruits. Fifth method is done. In my sixth method, I use strawberries, mango, pineapple, melon and watermelon pieces. You can leave the infused water up to 12 hours. The flavors to infuse more deeply. Depending on the ingredients you use, you should remove the ingredients after this time though, so they won't start to become decomposed. Infused water helps to lose weight. For better living lifestyle, this is one of the great way and improve water drinking habit. My sixth method is done. Be healthy and blessed. I hope you love this video. Also, I think this is useful to you, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.